Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Maths. I am going to explain question number 4 that has been taken from chapter 3 Matrix and CRT 12 Mathematics. The question is, if A and B are symmetric matrices, comma, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Now come out to solution. Solution implied that since here it is given that A and B are symmetric matrices, here I shall write since A is a symmetric matrix, hence A dash is equal to A. Also B is a symmetric matrix, hence B dash is equal to B. Since A is a symmetric matrix, hence A dash is equal to A. Also B is a symmetric matrix, hence B dash is equal to B. Here A dash is transpose matrix of A and B dash is transpose of matrix B. A dash means transpose of matrix A, B dash means transpose of matrix B. Since A is a symmetric matrix, hence transpose of matrix A is equal to the matrix A. Since B is a symmetric matrix, hence B dash is equal to B means transpose of matrix B is equal to B. Now here we have to prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. So here I shall write AB minus BA transpose of AB minus BA comes out to be AB का ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स AB माइनस ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स BA. Since A minus B का ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A माइनस ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स B. Since transpose of A minus B equal to transpose of matrix A minus transpose of matrix B. On this pattern, we can write very well transpose of the matrix AB minus BA comes out to be transpose of the matrix AB minus transpose of matrix BA. Again I shall write equal to, here you can see transpose of the matrix AB. So this is the formula. Transpose of matrix AB transpose of matrix AB equal to transpose of matrix B dot transpose of matrix A. Transpose of the matrix AB equal to transpose of matrix B dot transpose of matrix A. In this way, we can write very well transpose of matrix B dot transpose of matrix A minus transpose of the matrix BA comes out to be transpose of matrix A dot transpose of matrix B. Here you can see transpose of matrix B is equal to matrix B itself. So here you can write very well equal to B transpose of matrix A is equal to matrix A itself. So here write A minus AB. Since A dash equal to A and B dash equal to B, we can write very well. Here again write since. Now again I shall write imply equal to. Take here minus as a common. I shall take minus as a common. So we will get here AB minus BA. Minus will get entered inside. Circle bracket will be broken. You will get here BA minus AB. BA minus AB. Minus will get entered inside, comes out to be BA minus AB. This thing we will get. Here I shall write AB minus BA, this one, imply that. Transpose of the matrix AB minus BA is equal to minus in bracket AB minus BA. Same result you have got AB minus BA का transpose is equal to minus AB minus BA. AB minus BA here minus. This means hence we can write very well since formula is there. Don't write this one, not required. Hence AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the proper explanation of question number 4. This is the one of the most important question I have taken related to chapter 3 matrix and CRT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.